My name is Mark Richards. I am the founder and CEO of Alphidia. We are a manufacturing company based in Charleston, South Carolina. The reason we chose a Cobot Welder was because we were struggling to find qualified welders at any price. The reason we chose High-Robotics Cobot Welder was because of the ease of programming. I mean, quite frankly, I didn't want to, as an owner of a business, I didn't want to trade one skill set, which is welders, that's difficult to hire for, to another one, which would be programmers, which is also difficult to hire for. So we wanted a Cobot that was easy to set up, could be out of the box and be running within an hour or so, and then our folks on the shop floor could actually program with ease without struggling a little bit.
Exactly. My name's Thomas Tillotson. I work at Alphidia Incorporated in Charleston, South Carolina, and I'm a welder. I have no experience in robots or anything to that nature. I love playing games on my phone.
The app that the robot uses is super easy. If you can make a Facebook post or scroll through Instagram, you can learn how to program with this software, no problem at all. And we're putting out 5 times as much work as we did before.
No, so it's what was the most stunning to me is when you buy something and you're made promises by the salespeople, you know or at least you expect there's a little bit of fluff or BS in there with regards to how easy it is to set up. Beyond expectation, it was actually easier than we were told it was going to be, and so anytime that's the case, you feel really good about the company you're working with, what they say they're going to do, what the capabilities of the equipment is. What's phenomenal about it is how fast our people picked it up and were able to program it and do some beautiful welds within a very short period of time. And what else can you ask for something that you had high hopes for, that it actually lived up to your expectations and exceeded them?